เสียကြီး
ပြရဘလို့လို့နော်3လုံးယူ90ကျုံးလာဒီပွဲရနော် if it က
မောင်လေးမင်္ဂလာပါမောင်လေးတမရွက်စားပေးရတယ်
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Let's go.
That age-old question again. Encourage to be daring, to stand up and to commit yourself. And the finish.
Nice.
Big chance. And it's Gerrard. Promising. What? It's almost poetry in motion, Peter, isn't it? The way he wraps his foot round the ball so effortlessly. Amazing. Chelsea fires from distance. And if you have just joined us, still just one goal, 1-0 the score. Tries a shot! Oh, taken with style. And they're at it again in double. Getting to that, no getting to it at all. Expertly done. He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper. Arsenal are doing very nicely, thank you. Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way. Pass is coming off in and Messi! Well, there's always a chance of being caught. 3-0 and things are starting to look awfully cosy. No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming. Oh, good read. That's great positioning. So good from him. And the balls are...
ဘလို့ခံစားတော့ကြီးကျင်တာပေါ့ကြီးရပေါ့
They simply do not know what has hit them. Arsenal are having a ball here. To be expected, people. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Maldini. Just more than 15 minutes till half-time. Nice sequence of passes this. And the shot!
စိတ်ကိုရှိရှိထားလူဘဝကြီးအရှိကြီးတုံးနေတယ်အများကြီးရင်ဆိုင်ရအောင်ပါ
They are damage limitations is no longer an option. And here's Mbappe. And here's he's having a go. Plays a shot.
တော့ပြန်ပြီအော်ဗျာတော့ကုန်ပါပြီတော့ဖုန်းခဏကြည့်နေတယ်ဖုန်းလေးခဏကြည့်နေတယ်ချက်ချင်းဒီကောင်တွေတိုင်ပတ်အောင်လုပ်တာဖုန်းလေးခဏကြည့်နေတယ်ငါအာယုံမဆက်လိုက်တာနဲ့ကွင်းထဲမှာချက်ချင်းဒုက္ခပြီးတော့တာ
Here we can see it again.
လောက်ပါ Josh please Josh
Anything much more than a consolation. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Saliba cuts it out. Gerrard. Passing is crisp and sharp. Now it's Messi. Pedri. Isco. Gerrard. And we hit half-time. Well,
defense solo meno aro defense solo meno 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 defense solo
and the action is back on the way. And no, that was never going to make it. Arsenal come out of the tunnel having undergone a change at half-time. Well, I think it's the perfect time to make a change. And it's Thuram. And here's Mohamed Salah. He's going for goal.
ဒါလို့ sorry
How many? Just how many?